Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today's video is going to be short and sweet because my real job, my daytime job, has me busy. I mean busier than Walmart on the first of the month. And it's going to be like that for the next 2 weeks, so I'm going to try to keep this schedule up. Videos every Monday through Friday at noon. They might be a little bit shorter than usual. If I run into problems, then I might have to drop a video or two, but hopefully there won't be any changes in the schedule going forward. Anyway, it's Monday, and that must mean we're in Las Vegas, and we're on the Las Vegas Strip. We're going to visit a place I don't think we've ever visited before. Actually, we did when it was Hooters, but it's been the OYO for a little over a year now, and we're going to visit OYO today, right off the Las Vegas Strip. So as I said, this used to be a Hooters Hotel and Casino until it became the OYO not too long ago. There's still a lot of that Hooters vibe. There's a lot of signage outside as well as inside, and as soon as you walk through those front doors, there's a Hooters on the right-hand side. The website says OYO Hotel and Casino is located at the south end of the Las Vegas Strip. Everything is within walking distance from their front doors. Go ahead, explore. You won't need a taxi, just a comfy pair of shoes and a curiosity about the most entertaining street on the planet. And if you want to explore beyond the south end of the Strip, the Las Vegas monorail is just steps away from their front door, which is actually right across the street. There's a station at the MGM Grand. Hopefully that monorail will be running shortly. So I can't really tell you how successful this place is since it rebranded itself as OYO. OYO, by the way, stands for, as far as I know, On Your Own, which doesn't say much for the hotel and casino. So I don't know if I personally would stay here, but let's check this joint out anyway. As I said, as soon as you walk in, there's a Hooters on the right and there's a Steak and Shake on the left. Steak and Shake features premium burgers, french fries, and hand-dipped milkshakes. They also claim themselves to be the best breakfast in town. They say that their pancakes, eggs, and biscuits and gravy are favorites among Vegas regulars. I don't know, I've never eaten here, besides I don't eat eggs. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And we actually have several shout-outs today. Lapse Time for finding Mitzi at Harrah's in Las Vegas. Then there's Pac-Man, who found Clarice, the Miss America crown, at the Ocean Resort in Atlantic City. And then we have Wise Malik, who found Francesca the Flamingo in the Cabana Bay video from Universal. That's nice. 3 different winners from 3 different videos. Here we have the Hooters Saloon. OYO, by the way, was founded in 2013. They expanded globally with thousands of hotels and vacation homes and millions of rooms in India, Malaysia, Nepal, China, Brazil, Mexico, the UK, the Philippines, Japan, Saudi Arabia, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, Vietnam, and yes, the United States. In August of 2019, OYO made its first major investment in the United States by purchasing this building from Hooters Casino and Hotel. They bought it for $135 million. Just a few weeks ago, in April of 2021, it was claimed by several news reports and social media posts that OYO had filed for bankruptcy. The CEO of OYO, Ratish Agrawal, claimed it to be untrue. However, the company is in financial difficulty. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. Now, when I visited, the OYO pool was closed, but from what I understand, the pool is pretty decent considering, you know, it's OYO. This is the Splash Cantina. It's a perfect spot to hang with your friends by the pool, share a beer, and enjoy the Las Vegas sun. This little shop here is called Cargo. It's a convenience store here at OYO with liquor, small gifts, snacks, and necessities like water and aspirin. Don't forget to check out my book, 50 Attractions and Many Tips When Visiting Las Vegas. It's down at the bottom in the description of this video that you're watching. It's only $4.99, instantly downloaded to your computer, tons of pictures and fantastic tips if you plan on visiting Sin City. This place really hasn't changed at all since it transitioned from a Hooters to OYO. Everything from the carpet to the furniture to the restaurants here, it's all the same. The only thing that changed was a couple of signs. As a matter of fact, I think I have some old video back when it was Hooters, and you can see the difference. There really is none. I'll show that old recording in a minute. Other than the fact that it was pre-pandemic and there was a lot more people here and no one was wearing masks. Remember those days? Well, it looks like those days are finally returning. Things are picking up a little quickly here in this town. I'll be back in Vegas in a couple weeks, the beginning of June, when things are supposed to be at 100% capacity, so we'll see what that looks like in all these hotels, casinos, and restaurants. If you haven't visited the community room here on the New York channel, check it out. It's becoming quite popular. It's a place where there's lots of pictures. We discuss things like current events and some humor, some political stuff, and it's a place where you can leave your opinions and comments on a lot of issues. Like I said, it's becoming quite popular, and feel free to leave comments and check it out. As long as the comments aren't mean-spirited, they're all welcome. And again, that's the New York Community Room. Just click on that Community tab. This is new here. Coming soon, H2 OYO, frozen cocktails and munchies. I guess I'll have to check that out on my next visit as well. So I have tons of archive footage that I never use. Either it was edited out of videos or it wasn't good enough for a video, and I could have sworn these were Hooter videos, but they're not. This is still OYO. When they first opened, you could see the OYO sign over the registration desk. On the left there was a surf shop, which is becoming that frozen cocktail place. But the transition from Hooters to OYO pretty much happened overnight, and as you can see, other than a couple signs here and there, this place is exactly the same as it was. The only difference is this video was pre-pandemic and there's a lot more people and no one's wearing a mask.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you for watching the New York channel. Please subscribe.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.